Hello there, welcome to Mazi Obina's channel. So today I want to share with you how you can easily create professional looking pictures that you can share and use on your LinkedIn profile using ChatGPT. So first of all, take your camera, your phone is sufficient. Take three pictures of yourself, one from the side, one front view, another from this side, and then upload it to your system. So just ChatGPT. So let's go on. So upload to ChatGPT. Upload three of them. You can also do this on your phone, but I'm doing it on system. See the same thing. Upload three of them. Then take ChatGPT. Please create professional looking image from this uploaded images that I can use on my LinkedIn profile. The image you create should be wearing a suit, wearing a black suit. Let's go with black. A black suit. And don't change the look and don't change the face of the subject. Then click on smoke. So wait for it to do it. So it will take a while. Try to take a while to give the result you want. As you can see, this result is different. So this is what it gave us. So I can use this now on my LinkedIn profile. I think